Here we can see the natural lingling in her natural habitat. Such majestic creatures.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I want to take a picture on this vlog.
She's got me walking through this crap. There's not even a trail here. Burrs and sticks and crap. These thorny branches. Wait, I thought you were taking a picture there.
No, I didn't like it.
Are you kidding me? You telling me I just walked in here and now you don't even want the picture?
Yes. Snake! Hell no!
Oh, where?
Hell no!
Where?
Kevin, I hate snakes. Hate them. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke.
Alright, it's really hard to see. It kind of blends in. Olivia's gonna puke from that snake right there. Let's see if we can get a little close. Oh, he's moving. He's moving.
God, you're lucky it's not a rattlesnake.
I think I'm getting it.
Yeah. Kevin, there's probably more snakes in there. I want to leave.
Olivia took us completely off the path today. So
Yes, we had to explore.
yeah, exploring, and then in the mud, we almost got eaten by a snake.
It was an eventful day.
So we're leaving the woods now because it's cold.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it.